Hello, and welcome to the LGBTQIA+ History LibGuide. So this LibGuide, of course, is not meant to be an all-encompassing guide. This is just supposed to scratch the surface and give students just a good jumping-off place when they're exploring LGBTQIA+ history. So here on this home screen, you'll just see a sort of a definition for this acronym. I know over the years, letters have changed, have been added. That's me. And of course, the pride flag. So up here on these tabs, you will see the different resources in this LibGuide. So we have two tabs of books. These are a mixture of ebooks and print books. So here, you will see just an overview sort of books that have to do strictly with LGBTQIA+ history. So you see the social movements, one that explores LGBTQ issues in literature, an encyclopedia. This also includes additional sources for further study, so this is a good one if you're looking to get a more in-depth study. Here's a historical dictionary, and then if you go to the second tab here, you get more books. This one here in the middle is a biography of James Baldwin. This is a little different than the other books that are more textbook-like and more of an encyclopedia. This one is just a biography, which is a good place to start if you're looking to read more biographies for LGBTQ+ members. This book here details the process of gay marriage becoming legal in America, which is of course a large event in this history. Here you have LGBTQ history and current issues, so this kind of goes over the history and also where we're at currently in these issues. This text contains an index in it as well, and this is a theme study of lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender, and queer history. This is published by the National Park Foundation, and what's good about this one is it contains peer-reviewed articles, and it contains articles from all regions around the world. Here in this tab, you'll see journal articles, and these are just, of course, peer-reviewed scholarly articles, so shorter than books here. This is a pedagogy focused one. Of course, there are many more, but this is just a good starting article if you're looking to see how LGBTQ history is taught. This one deals with geographic proximity, and it's more of a scientific study about family relations and things of that nature for LGBTQ+ folks. This article is actually a discussion of LGBTQ authors, and so it's sort of in an interview format with a Q&A. So this is a really interesting one if you're looking for direct thoughts from LGBTQ writers. Here, this is sort of a miscellaneous tab, a workbook and a government case. This Pride Guide is an interactive workbook, so it has questions and activities to complete, which is really nice for teaching. So this is just a good resource. In this Equality Act, this is a government source. This Equality Act is the act that banned discrimination specifically in workplaces because of sexual orientation or gender identity, which is also a big moment for LGBTQIA+ history. Here in this last tab, you'll see the DVDs, and these are just two just good starting point ones. Both of these are like documentary style. So this first one is about the Stonewall Riots, which is a huge event in LGBTQIA+ history. This includes footage as well as interviews from those who participated in the riots. And this is a documentary that explores gender identity, which is another part of the LGBTQ history and issues that are current in our society today. So there's just a brief overview of the guide, so I hope you found that useful.